اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا محمد صلاة تحبب بها إلي العبادة والحسنات وتنكي بها قلبي من جميع الظلمات آمين وترحمني بها في الحياة وفي الممات يا رب العالمين. محمد رسول الله
عليه وسلم. صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم. Let us have a seat. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We give thanks to Allah. We appreciate Him. We adore Him.
Alhamdulillah.
We glorify His name. We believe in Him. We say there is no doubt but Him, the omnipotent and the omniscience. He has been in existence before every one of us and shall continue to be even after everyone. I bear witness that Prophet Muhammad
sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
You know, the only thing you can do here today that will make me more happy is to continue saying sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.
Sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
That is the goal. That is our target here.
MashaAllah.
We are all here. We are not celebrating ourselves. We are all here to celebrate the best of the mankind.
MashaAllah.
Prophet Muhammad
sallallahu
alayhi wa sallam. So inshallah Rahman, I would like you all to continue saying it. Somebody say sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.
Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
MashaAllah. We give thanks to Allah, we appreciate Him, we adore Him. And inshallah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue to bless His noble Prophet Muhammad.
Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
Bless his family, his companions, his household, and everybody that believe in Him till the day of resurrection.
Amen.
Distinguished scholars, His Royal Majesty, and our beloved brothers and sisters, I say salamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
It is indeed a privilege and a lovely moment to have you all here today again to commemorate the annual Muhammad Rasulullah International Conference, which is the 3rd edition of its kind. We thank Allah for the journey so far.
Alhamdulillah.
It can only be Allah.
Allah.
We don't even know how we come up with this, but we notice that when we want it, Allah say, I want to do it as well. Somebody shout Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
So, Alhamdulillah, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the aims and objectives of this international conference is to discuss the different issues, challenges faced by the Islamic Ummah in the contemporary world, in order to look into ways, strategies, through which solutions to them can be provided. It has also occurred to me over the times that the Prophet of Islam, Muhammad bin Abdullah,
sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam,
he has been deprived of the honor and respect he deserves, either by some Muslims who possesses just modest knowledge about him, and some enemies who purposely publish false information about him as well. So inshallah Rahman, the aim and the objective of this conference is to show the world How beautiful is Islam? How wonderful is our Prophet?
Sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
We want to print an image that we can be proud of anywhere and anytime.
MashaAllah.
And inshallah Rahman, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue to be with all our scholars here today. I want to believe that we all enjoy them. They are all capable scholars. So inshallah Rahman, I say may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue to be with us and continue to be with them all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum wassalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
But before we go again, I will want us to say that salawat again. Salatul Muqtariya that belongs to us, Muhammad Rasulullah Global Family. So keep we Allahumma salli
wa sallim.
Amin.
Ala Sayyidina Muhammadin.
Amin.
Salatan tuhabbibu biha ilayya libadata والحسنات وتنقي بها قلبي من جميع الظلمات
ويا ودادا
وترحمني بها في حياتي وفي الممات يا رب العالمين.
محمد رسول الله
صلى الله عليه وسلم.
محمد رسول الله
صلى الله عليه وسلم.
محمد رسول الله
صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Takbir. Ẹgbẹ́ Ọlọ́run tóbi.